Yes.
Okay.
All right. So, first of all, very good evening. Hope I'm loud and clear to you.
Hi, good evening. Yeah, your voice is audible to me.
Okay. That's very great. So, let's start the session without any further ado.
Yeah, sure.
All right. So, please introduce yourself as we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, so my name is Sohit Patel actually. I'm from Indore, MP, and
Okay.
I am a working profession. I am working as a Oracle technical in IT sector in Deloitte company. And total I am having 2 years of experience actually.
All
And
right.
with that, I am running my own YouTube channel where I can put videos, content regarding my work, regarding some advices.
Okay. May I know
So
what
these
is
kind
your
of
niche?
videos I used to.
What is the niche? Conversation. Is it?
Yeah, actually, it is for digital marketing also, and for Oracle Fusion content. Actually, I provide for the pupil who wants to learn Oracle Fusion technical.
Okay.
But from last 2 year, I stopped uploading content in the YouTube actually.
Okay. All right. Is there anything that you would like to add in your introduction?
No, actually, as of now, I just want to add that thing
Okay.
only. What about you?
All right. So, first of all, nice introduction of yours and you're a working person. You have, I think I received mail from Sid. So, are you the same?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sid is actually nickname, and real name is Sohit.
Okay, fine. That's why I'm confused. Fine. So, as you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. At present, I'm living in my hometown. And when it comes to my education, so I'm in my master's, second year of MBA with the specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from this, I'm working on my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversation. And when it comes to my
Okay.
hobbies, I like to read books, and dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
And-
great. Actually, I'm also pursuing my MBA with my job actually from DAVB University.
Okay, that's great. So you are in your second year or first year?
No, actually, I'm also in second year currently.
Okay. So what about the placement season there in DAV?
I don't know about the placement, but many companies come after this session. I'm not going on a regular basis actually.
Okay.
I'll just go for giving exam only.
Mm-hmm. All right. So why you're doing MBA? I mean, still you're working, but why you thought of doing MBA?
Actually, thing is that as I told you, I have 2 years of experience. If we want a good package, then MBA degree matters on some of the company. If we are going for a good company, big MNCs, so they will ask you have done any PG or not. So for that, actually, I am doing MBA.
All right. And what are your like what all specialization or any specific specialization you're doing in MBA?
Yeah, I am doing MBA in finance and information technology, finance IT.
Okay, finance IT. That's great. So you are in this, especially you just want to like upskill yourself because already you have done that work in that field, I can say.
Yeah, exactly. That's the reason I am doing.
Okay. And what about English? Tell me a little bit about your English journey, how long you have been learning and working upon because you seems quite confident.
No, actually, I start English learning from last 1 month. I used one application for the conversation.
Okay.
It's English Buddy. Application name is English Buddy. I used to communicate with people on a daily basis. Actually, when I'll free, actually, 15 to 20 minutes, I'll communicate with people on a daily basis. And I also very fond of reading books actually on a daily basis. And every morning I read books at least 20 to 25 pages, but
Oh
I
my.
am not able to understand how I can implement all those things in my real life.
Okay.
After reading that book, actually I forget thing how I can implement all these things in my real life.
Okay. So, of course, when you practice and when you speak with your buddies, I mean, co-learners, why don't you inculcate those words while conversing?
Okay. No, actually, I am asking about, as I told you, I am reading self help books, motivational books. So, whatever I read in that book, how I can implement those things in my life, actually. I just want to ask you.
Okay. First of all, you're reading your favorite genre is self-help books. So, when it comes to self-help book, it's about the habits and motivation and all that stuff. So, when it comes to
Mhm.
implementing words, are you talking about vocabulary or the learning from those books? What exactly?
Learning from those, actually. Learning from those, actually, whatever we learn.
Okay. So, I mean, the thing is that don't try to bother yourself too much. Whatever, at least one, two new words, phrases you can recall at the moment, try to use them in conversation.
Mhm.
It's not something that you have to, recall each and everything that you have learned. Let's suppose 5 words you have learned today. So it's not that you have to use the same word in in conversation. Yes, but the main thing is at least one or two
Mhm.
words you're using what you have learned.
Okay, thank you. And I am curious to know about your journey when you have started, and in previously, how was your communication? What challenges you have faced, and how you can overcome all these things, and how you can improve. What task you have done on a daily basis? What kind of things you are doing for improvement?
Okay. Well, my journey also started from the very scratch. I have completed my schooling from Hindi medium, and but now when I took admission in college, so it was like I can say the high time to work upon communication skills. So I started to approaching people, co-learners, just like you. I used to talk with people 20-30 minutes, but then I thought voice calling is not enough. I have to face the camera as well. So I started approaching some of the learners
Mm.
for Zoom meetings and for Google Meet, and that's how we used to connect. And we used to decide a topic, and we just to talk about that particular topic and everything, each and everything regarding that. So that's how I started my practice. And after that, I created my YouTube channel, and now I'm getting many opportunities to talk with co learners, experts, YouTubers. So it's like a win win game, and I'm enjoying as well, no doubt.
Okay, that's great. And one more thing, I just want to ask you how you can maintain your consistency. Actually, uh, if I talk about myself, if I start something,
Okay.
then someday I consistent in a week, in a month. After a certain time, I lose the consistency. Actually,
Okay. Basically, the secret of my consistency is, just I think because of my YouTube channel, because here I have to be active, right? Because people are waiting for my video, and
Mhm.
generally they comment that if I don't upload, so they comment that why you're not coming up with video. So it's like of course, it's like a pressure, not pressure, but I can say the responsibility on my shoulder to come up with video conversations. And other than that, at present I have my regular
Okay,
learners, so I talk with them. I mean, now I have enough, like sufficient environment to speak, because mostly 8 to 9 hours
Mhm.
goes in speaking when it comes to my case. So this is why I mean, practice is the only
eight
thing.
to nine hours.
Yeah, because I have eight
Okay,
regular learners at present, and some of these, like conversations when new people mail me, so I interact with them as well.
okay. Could you please tell me what steps I have to follow?
When it comes to steps, Mr. Sohit,
As I
I.
told you, now I am.
Mhm.
Now I'm doing just communicating with people in an application, in a voice conversation I'm doing. So what other things I have to do actually?
First of all, as you mentioned, one thing that you are very much interested in reading. So that's very good thing because reading will help you to deliver your message, in a very structured manner. And
Okay.
other than that, when it comes to listening, do you listen? What kind of podcast or videos you listen actually?
Yeah, yeah. Sometime actually, not a regular basis, but sometime I listen podcast and I read articles also, English articles, book also I read.
Okay. So when it comes to listening, I mean, listening is must. Don't skip listening as well because the way, speakers speak and the way, like when there is a podcast, so when two speakers are conversing with each other, their, like human touch, the natural way while they converse. So you should observe that how they're speaking. Because as you are reading, so you know that these are some of the words, these are some of the phrases I'm going to use while conversing. But when you listen, then that's when you actually realize that, okay, this is how I'm going to implement in my conversation. So listening is as important as reading.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Please check your connection because,
Yeah,
your
that's
voice is
great.
stuck.
Now it's the fine.
Yeah, yeah. Now
Am I
it's fine.
audible?
Yeah, sometimes there's a glitch a little bit, but now it's fine.
Okay.
Okay. So listening, reading. What about writing? Are you a diary person? Do you write your things down? What are you going to do throughout the day? Something like that?
Yeah, actually I write, but I am not writing on a regular basis actually.
Okay. So
If I
what
have some goals, so that goals I used to write only
you write your
in my
goals?
notebook.
Hmm. What about to-do
Hmm.
list?
Yeah. To-do list actually I maintain my to-do list in my laptop. There is a software of Microsoft To Do.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
on that actually I use to
Okay.
maintain to-do list actually.
Yeah, it varies person to person because I usually, like the hard copy. My I just write in my diary about what are the things I'm going to do because mostly, because I can say my screen time is very high. So I just try to avoid
Okay.
screen as much as I can.
Hmm. Okay. Mostly time you have to interact with people so that your screen. That's why I think your screen time is so high.
Yeah, of course, I have to take care of my eyes as well. And if I'm just, always active on laptop, it's not good.
Hmm.
So that's
So
why I
when
write.
you have started your YouTube channel?
When it comes to YouTube, Mr. Sohit, I have started after completion of my first year, I can say. It's been almost
Okay. So I think before 1 year.
2.5 year actually.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. It's going good. I can say I'm enjoying, and it is such a good platform where I'm interacting with a number of people, and my communication skills is also improving. And this is also, giving me chance to face the camera, to face any, stranger on the spot. So it's really wonderful,
Hmm.
I must say.
Actually, this is very main thing. Actually, when it comes to improve communication, we have fear of camera. Actually, we are not able to make videos. We have fear what
Yeah,
people think about us.
yeah, we have this, this is it is called a spotlight effect. Have you heard about it? Spotlight effect.
No, could you please elaborate me?
Okay, definitely. I mean, it is something that we think that everyone is, just focusing on us. Everyone is just, ready to criticize us. We have, as a human being, we have this, spotlight effect. If we are trying something new,
Okay.
something which is, not as like traditional as. So when we try something new, we have this thought process that I am the only person who will be criticized or who will be, like demotivated by like people are going to laugh at me or something like that, but nobody really cares,
Hmm.
about your mistakes. about what all problems you're going through. So it's your journey. First of all, avoid, try to avoid people, negative people. I'm not talking about positive. Positive is something that will going to appreciate you, that will, those are going to push you. So focus on those people, and
Exactly.
you will anyway speak confidently.
And what kind of challenges you have faced when you start making videos and used to upload on YouTube?
So far, challenges as such, there's no big challenge, but I can say that I mean what I realize and what is the conclusion of this YouTube channel is my improvement. I'm improving. If you see my first video
Okay.
and my today's video, there is a drastic improvement, because earlier I used to make a lot of
Hmm.
grammatical errors, and
Yeah, actually, if we are doing something continuously, so after some time we will definitely get improvement.
yeah, and there's no criticism as such, because people are like, I just see the positive side of things, and if 2-3% negativity, so I just avoid it. What can I do?
Yeah, actually, we have to improve yourself. We don't have to think about others, what other things.
Exactly. All right. So please, would you mind sharing your plans, future plans? As you said that you are doing MBA at present, and you want to polish your personality. You are working on your communication skills. What other plans
Hmm.
you have in your mind?
Actually, as of now, I just want to continue my job, and with my job I am thinking to create another channel in YouTube where I can put all the videos regarding my work, whatever I'm doing currently. So this is my plan now. And
Okay.
side income source I also want to build.
All right. So you're into digital marketing as well, right? It's also a big field.
Yeah, actually I know all these things about digital marketing, but in COVID time actually I'm doing digital marketing and I'm making content for digital marketing. But
Was.
after COVID I moved into IT sector, IT domain, so my domain is totally changed.
Oh my goodness. So I can say that you are a
So
jack of digital marketing, not master of it.
yeah, exactly.
Okay. But of course, at least you tried, you tried your level best in COVID, as you said, digital marketing. So may I know like what you were
Yeah, actually
at that time?
in digital marketing actually I have done social media marketing, and I really like to do graphic designing.
Okay. Wow, it is also, I mean, very, booming
I
field.
have yeah, I have created all the thumbnails and themes for my channel from myself only,
Okay.
and I'll do optimization also, SEO.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, thing is that if I am doing something I can do from myself only everything.
Okay. That's great. You just, completely take charge of your like, okay, this is something I will build, and I will build all, I mean, giving all without taking help from anyone.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, sometime I take a help where I stuck actually, but I am thinking like we are starting something, so we have to take charge of
Yeah,
that thing.
exactly. And it is the quality of a leader, right? I believe that if you are doing something, you just take charge. Okay, I can do anything in this particular domain which I'm working on.
Hmm, exactly.
Okay. So, is there any question at last that you have for me?
So, what's your plan for 2025? Have you set any goals for yourself?
Indeed, I set goals. I don't plan, years like this is something this complete year I have to do. I plan months. Okay. Like this month, I have to work on this particular thing. Or, yeah, like goals are almost same, because I have to work upon my communication skills. I mean, I just want to be the, you can say, complete, not the very pro, but of course, I should able to deliver my message in a very expressive, or you can say eminent way. So I'm working on that. and
Okay.
I'm very health cautious person. So I have to, work on my like what I'm eating, what not I have to eat. So I'm very much, you can say, health cautious. So I just,
I am also a health conscious person actually.
yeah, we have
I
to
am
be.
also very health conscious person.
We have to be. This is the need of an hour, right? So we have to be very much specific with what we consume and how it's going to reflect on our body. And other than that, I
Exactly.
am also, I can say, placement season is going on in my college. Actually, I just paced on my wall. So what I'm going to do. So this is how, I just paced what task I have for the complete month, and I just try to work on that. I'm just working on that as well. So two, three
Okay.
priorities at present. Plus, I have my regular learners. Throughout the day, my schedule is quite hectic, but yeah, I just love it. I just enjoy being busy with your work, and when you see progress, that's when I feel content.
Okay. So, other than this YouTube channel, other things you are also doing? Any job or any other thing?
No, no, actually, I'm working on my YouTube, my regular learners, and my studies, my health. For now, these four priorities I have. But no, I don't get
Four
leisure time.
priorities.
But
Okay.
if I get leisure time, I also try my level best. Okay, what can be the different thing? Sometimes I thought of doing something, but related to in this field only. I don't want to switch my field because yeah.
And what is the most important dream that you want to fulfill in this life? What is the most important dream
Okay,
of
what is the
yours that you want to
important
fulfill?
dream of my life? Well, I don't. Of course, everyone of like dreaming of to like all the things like they want their everything. Materialistic things, but the main thing which really,
Materialistic.
yeah, the main thing which really matters for me, I just like want to give what all I can. To my level best to my family, especially my parents, because they are like they always push me. They never stop me that you should not do this, you should do this. It's completely my responsibility. Whatever I'm doing, they are not bothering me to do anything. Just do whatever you can. So I just want to give back. I know that I cannot completely give them back, but what all my level best. That's it.
Yeah, actually, we have to try your best. Actually,
Yeah. So that is
we
my
can
goal.
able to give everything whatever they want.
Yeah. If little things make them happy, that's I can say that's my happiness.
Okay. Yeah, this is very important. We have to think like that.
Yeah. Because otherwise you
Actually,
never
every
be satisfied.
movement we have to enjoy. Actually,
What? What did you say?
most of the people are thinking if we. I'm saying every movement actually we have to enjoy in life, but most of the people are thinking if we have that thing, so after getting that particular thing, I'll be happy,
This is the
and
human
they are
tendency,
doing working.
right? This is a human tendency to always think of,
Yeah,
okay, I could have done more, I could have achieved more. This is I'm not satisfied with it. We are never ever satisfied as a human being. We have the tendency to do more.
yeah, exactly. One day we will die, and after that, we again never satisfy.
Exactly.
And
I,
one more question I just want to ask you: English grammar is important for communicate. Most of the people are saying like you have to first learn grammar basic. So
I
it is
also
correct
feel
or not? What do you
I
think?
also feel the same that grammar is indeed very important. Not complete grammar. Don't try to mug up, all grammatical rules. But, there is no grammar as such. It is all logic. If you just study, I have my regular learners. So what how I start my classes and my, like sessions. Firstly, we just work on the basics, only basics like tenses and parts of speech. And other than that, we switch to topic discussion. But base is very important, because if you're not
Okay.
speaking, like if your tenses are not clear, how you will convey your message? And forget about the fluency. If you're not speaking, I mean, your
Hmm.
base is not clear, how will you speak? How will you deliver your message? So that's when the role of fundamental grammar should be there. Other than that, don't worry. I mean, don't need to learn all the grammatical rules and concepts. No, just basic.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
that's what
Great.
I feel. I mean, it varies. Some people say that there's no need to learn grammar. Why grammar? But I believe no, grammar is must. I mean,
Hmm.
at least you should have a basic understanding of grammar.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think it's time to wind up today's session, right? Is there any question at last that you have for me?
Uh, in last, actually, you can give to everyone three advice for improvement of English and communication skills. What is the three key steps everyone have to follow on a daily basis,
Okay. So three key
according to you?
advices. That's a good question, Mr. Sohit. Well,
Yeah.
the first thing is mindset. For anything, if you are planning, let's
Okay.
suppose if you want to change your body, okay, as a health cautious person, you can relate with it. That if you want to change your
Yeah.
body, you should have a mindset. If your mindset is strong,
Hmm.
you will nail it. I mean, you will do it anyway. If you feel demotivated,
Hmm.
still because of the mindset, because your goal is already set in your mind. So first is mindset. Okay. And second is preparation. I mean, preparation comes in listening, reading, and writing, right?
Okay. Okay.
And third, the very important thing, that is practice. So these are the three things.
Practice.
Yeah, these are the three things for any goal, I can say, not for the English language.
There is
So
a quote also: practice makes men perfect.
yeah,
Practice makes men perfect.
yeah. And of course, it feels, sometimes we feel demotivated. We feel that what is boring shit I'm doing every day. But this is the only thing
Actually,
that,
sometimes I also feel like this. Actually, I'm also feel like this sometimes.
yeah,
What I'm doing, why I'm doing.
it's the, like it happens with everyone. Even I also come across to this kind of zone sometime, that what am I doing? But then, I just have
Hmm.
to like see my goals, whatever I have written. I just check my journal, I
Hmm.
check my work, my YouTube channel. Then that's when I realize that no, I'm doing right. Everyone is, like supporting me, appreciating me. If I will
Okay.
feel down,
Okay.
yeah.
And one more question: have you set any target for YouTube, like how many subscribers you want to achieve in this
Oh,
year in
there's no such
2025?
criteria. I don't, like the thing
Okay.
is that I want to work really hard, and let's see. I mean, for that, I mean, first I
Hmm.
just want to put efforts. I have to come up with a wonderful and content. You can say videos that can add value to people' life. And yeah, subscribers, I don't worry about it, because
Hmm.
I have like enough subscribers. I mean, I'm not that much like, worried about subscribers, 100K. No, not like this.
But thing is that if anyone is starting YouTube channel and all these things, they are thinking for subscriber also.
Yeah, of course, it is a need. I mean, actually, of course, I mean, I'm not completely denying the fact, but
Yeah.
I set the target, because when you set targets which is not in your control, you will like feel bad about it if you
Mhm.
achieve it. But what can I control? I should have a proper like mindset for it. Like I can work upon my communication skills. That is in my control. That is not in other people control. I can work on my health, that is in my control. But if I'm just setting the target, okay, the numbers which is going to be like done by people, some of the peoples, so it's not right. I don't want to drain myself for
Yeah,
this.
exactly. We just have to enjoy the journey. We don't have to think about results, what we are going to achieve. Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, if you're improving every day, that's enough. I mean, don't
Yeah, exactly.
that's the very important thing. We have to be better than yesterday. That's it.
Yeah, actually, every day we have to make sure like we are doing your 100%.
Yeah, that's what I
So
mean. That's
after
what
this
I feel.
specific time, we will definitely improve.
Exactly. Okay. So I think it's time to wind up the session. Thank you so much for joining, and it was really nice session with you. And all the very best for your future plans, the work you're doing. Just uh, be consistent with it. That's all.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yeah. Okay. Have a
And
good
I
one.
also enjoy this communication, and I learn many things from you. And I will make sure I will implement all this thing, whatever you teach me today.
Okay, for sure, Mrs. Soed. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.